Empower Budgeting App Review, Usage Experience. Links to the Empower app are in the description below. In this review, we'll take a look at Empower, a budgeting app designed to help you track your spending, set financial goals, and manage your money more effectively. Unlike other budgeting apps, Empower offers a unique combination of automated savings, spending insights, and a high-interest cash account, making it ideal for users who want a simple yet comprehensive tool for managing their finances. Empower connects to your bank accounts and credit cards, automatically categorizing your transactions to give you a clear overview of where your money is going. It also provides personalized insights into your spending habits, helping you identify trends and areas where you can cut back. One of the standout features of Empower is its auto-save tool. Based on your spending patterns, the app moves small amounts of money into a separate savings account, helping you build savings effortlessly without having to think about it. Another key feature is the Empower Cash Account. It offers a high interest rate on your savings, which is higher than traditional savings accounts, making it an attractive option for users looking to earn more on their money. The app also helps you set financial goals, such as saving for an emergency fund or paying off debt, and tracks your progress toward those goals. What sets Empower apart is its investment tool, which allows users to access personalized investment recommendations based on their financial goals. While it's not as in-depth as some other investment platforms, it offers a simple way to get started with investing. Overall, Empower is perfect for users looking for an easy-to-use budgeting app with built-in savings and investment features. Its simplicity and automation make it a great choice for anyone looking to manage their finances without too much effort. Check the description for links and more details.